Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook It and Repeat. Today I'll share how to make healthy and tasty sprout salad. For that we need 1 cup of boiled sprout, sliced cucumber, sliced onion, chopped carrot, sliced tomato and a lemon. Add all the ingredients in a bowl. Add half teaspoon of chaat masala. Add beet noon or black salt as per your taste. Add Aamchur powder. Add lemon juice. Mix it all together. Healthy and tasty sprout salad is ready to eat. If you like this recipe, then please do like, share and comment down below. And for more amazing recipes, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.